Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Chat GPT application for your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Chat GPT application for your Android is easy. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. And once you're connected, open up your Play Store. In the search box, type in ChatGPT and perform your search. Once you find the application that says OpenAI ChatGPT, simply tap on the install button in order to download the application. ChatGPT is the chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. This AI tool applies machine learning algorithms to a massive corpus of text to respond to user requests using language that sounds surprisingly human-like. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app, and that is how you can easily download the ChatGPT application for your Android device. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.